I believe cheesesteak sandwiches is what I'm getting ready to talk about. I'm not going to talk about it, we're going to make them. Well, the old griddles are heating up and kind of giving it a wipe over before we start making these cheesesteak sandwiches. Well, I'm not trying to keep my coffee warm. Actually, I have some butter in there. Set it on the lighter side where it's not quite so hot over in that area. And we'll get this steak to cooking. I've got cut up here. And it'll take a few minutes, but we'll get it all seasoned up and cooked up here in just a minute. And the butter appears to be melting nicely. Oh yeah, it's coming right along, looking good. And we'll give it a shot of water and lay our lid over it and let it steam for a bit. Now we'll get these buns ready, get a little butter on these buns and lay them out there on the griddle and let them start browning up. These buns wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but they worked. Oh yeah, it's coming along nicely, looking good. I'll tell you what, this is going to be delicious. Put on my mixture of SPG and give it a little seasoning there. Oh, look at that. Get this provolone cheese on it. Let it melt. Then we'll lay them buns on top of them, let everything warm up together and get together there. Get them over here into a plate. Now that looks good. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.